I've got some new stuff from Edgeway Artisan. Check this out. First, want to say that I am blessed to have a relationship with Edgeway Artisan. He did a giveaway on his live the other day. He's hit 1,000 subscribers. There's other stuff he's given to me here. I'll talk about that here in a minute, but just want to get to the things that he has sent me today. This is a single knife tray. Hey, I love it. I love it. So we'll put that there. This one here glows. We'll show you that here in a minute. This is one of the knives that I have won on the giveaway, and I believe I heard him say that he didn't really like it. I actually do. I really like this thing. It feels good. The axis lock is just perfect. I love how the jimping, this goes up just a bit to cradle the thumb stud, and then you've got your jimping back here. I do love that. I've had the spine of a blade cut my finger, not aggressively, but just cut it enough that I prefer the jimping. I prefer a non-slip edge, but this was a great gift. I am so blessed, as I said, to have a relationship. This is the Tenable Raven Blackbird blades. Excuse me. Got a Vosteed pouch, which I'm okay with. I love Vosteed. I love their pouch. And matter of fact, I've got a Vosteed as one of my EDCs today. But this is a QSP Penguin Glide with the tinfoil scales. If you don't find that impressive, this ought to light your fire. If not, the wood's wet. That's the old Southern preacher used to say. QSP Penguin Glide. Very nice. Thank you, Edgeway Artisan. But let's try these. Try this glow tray. Show you guys how this works. We're gonna shut one light off. We're gonna remove all these knives, and then we're gonna remove this scraper, this knife. This I got from Edgeway Artisan as well. Just very good work, guys. I'm telling you, this is my Grail holder, the Praying Soldier. I love it. I got nothing but Finch knives here. There's some stickers back there. I got the cascading tray of also really good knives. That shouldn't have happened. Anyway, this was a project that he and I had discussed, came up with, and this was his final design. I do love the yellow and the green together. This is a great display tray. All right, let's check out the glow in the dark. Because not only that, I got one more light to turn off here. It says Relentless blades there. You can't really see it on camera. But then he also sent me some beads that also glow. I couldn't be more pleased with the products, the service. Edgeway Artisan, folks, check them out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I would be remiss if I did not show you guys this amazing wall tray. It goes in that spot right there. But let's see how good this works one-handed. Shall we? Boom. Put some pressure on that. And there you go. Y'all have a good one, and God bless.